through every season, every storm, every chapter, life brings our way. My love for you isn't just a feeling, it's a promise to stand beside you, to life you are when you are down, and to celebrate every joy with you, no matter where life takes us. My heart will always belong to you. You have touched my soul in ways I never thought possible, and because of you, I know what true love feels like. Time may pass, things may change, but my love for you will remain constant, unwavering, and eternal. I will cherish your smile, your voice, your laugh, every little piece of you. You have become a part of me that I can never let go. So, no matter what happens, please remember this. I will always love you with all that I am, all that I was, and all that I ever will be. Thank you for watching.